Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage a side hustle with Intuit, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your skills and interests. Think about what you are passionate about and what can generate income. Research potential side hustle ideas related to your skills. Evaluate the market demand for these ideas. Once you have a viable idea, set specific goals. Define how much time you can commit weekly. Outline your financial goals for the side hustle. Next, create a business plan. Detail your target audience and the services or products you will offer. Identify your pricing strategy by researching competitors. Decide on the legal structure for your side hustle. Consider whether you need to register your business or obtain any permits. Next, set your workspace. Determine if you will work from home or require a dedicated office space. Gather any tools or resources you need to operate effectively. Now, focus on time management. Use a planner or a digital calendar to block out time for your side hustle. Prioritize your tasks to maximize productivity. Consider using Intuit's tools to streamline your processes. Intuit provides accounting software that helps you track income and expenses. Set up a separate bank account for your side hustle to keep finances organized. Use Intuit's tax preparation tools to simplify your tax filing process. Record all your income daily to avoid any last-minute confusion. Explore marketing options for your side hustle. Use social media platforms to reach your target audience. Consider creating a website to establish an online presence. Network with others in your industry for potential collaborations. Collect feedback from your customers regularly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.